What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. Just wanted to say something real quick, man. I had a few people inbox me, text me, email me, and saying they wanted to pick my brain about a few different things. In order to pick my brain, that's $150. That's a consultation fee. I don't have any friends. I just have associates. I'm gonna be 100 with you. You know what I mean? So, bless we didn't grow up together. We ain't cool like that. So I'm not friends. But I'm giving out free videos. If you can't get it through there and you need some extra stuff, it's $150. Then you can call me different times and we can talk about this. But I'm gonna keep it straight business. It's not personal because I don't have friends. I don't have nobody I call every day and I just chop it up with, hey man, what's going on? I really don't have that. It's just me and my wife. So everything is completely business with me. But when I do give you these videos for free and I show you what I'm doing, I'm giving you that because I want to help those who need that help. But if you need something extra, if you need to learn something extra, my consultation fee is $150.